Welcome to the Marble Falls Public Library's webpage. This video will show you how to access our ebook collection on your internet browser and mobile device. We will begin with how to access ebooks from your internet browser. The first thing you will do is go to our webpage, www.marblefallslibrary.org. When you reach our homepage, it should look like this. You will click on the e-Services tab and scroll down to where it says Access 360. From here, you will be sent to a portal that shows our collection of ebooks. To log in, you will go to the top right-hand corner and click Login. You will enter your library card ID and your PIN number. Your PIN number is the last 4 digits on your library card. When you have logged in, you should see your account and My Stuff at the top right-hand corner. You can browse our library in many different ways. You can look at our just added, our new releases, our most popular, or you can browse by subject. You can look at our many different subjects on the left-hand side of the screen. To go back to our homepage, just click this magic wall in the upper left-hand side of the screen. To see if a book is available, you can click on the book and see how many copies are available. If you wish to check out a book, just click Check Out. To see which books you have checked out, go to the top right-hand side of the screen and click My Stuff. This will show all the books that you have checked out. If you click on a book and it says that 0 copies are available, you will need to place it on hold. It will tell you how many patrons are on hold before you and how many days you might have to wait for the book. Simply place on hold to get on that waiting list. When you have finished reading a book, return it by going to your library and clicking Return. Next, we will go over how to access ebooks from your mobile device. The first step you will need to do is download the Access 360 app in your application store. You will search for Access 360. When you find the application, install it on your mobile device. When Access 360 has finished installing, open it. When you have opened Access 360, you will need to find your library. You will look for the Burnett County Library System. When you have found our library, enter your library ID and PIN number. Your library ID is the number located on your library card, and your PIN will be the last 4 digits located on your library card. When you have typed that in, click Log In. When you have logged in, your home screen should look like this. It will be slightly different than the browser version. If you scroll down, you can see just added fiction, nonfiction, children's, and teens. But there are also other ways to browse. Up in the right-hand corner, where these 3 little dots are, you can browse our library. We have it organized by subject. When you click on a subject such as fiction, you can narrow your search even further. To go back to the home screen, you will click those 3 little dots again and click Home. Now we're going to go over how to check out a book. So after you have browsed our library and found a book you want, you will click on it and see if it is available. If the little book icon is green, that means it is currently available and you can check it out. To check it out, you will click the Check Out button, and it'll ask you if you wish to continue checking out the ebook. Once you check out a book, it will begin downloading on your device if you are using data or Wi-Fi. You can see that it tells you have it on loan for 14 days and what your due date will be. To read the book, just click Read Now and it will open on your mobile device. and you can begin reading the book immediately. If you want to pause your reading and go back to the library, just exit out and click Browse Library or Home. If you want to see which books you have checked out, you just go to the top right-hand corner and click on the 3 little books, and you can see what you have checked out. You are allowed to check out 3 ebooks at a time. To return a book, you click on the book from your library and click Return. And that is how you successfully check out ebooks from a mobile device. If a title is unavailable but you would like to read it, you will need to place it on hold. You can click on the book and see the estimated wait time and how many copies the library owns. To place on hold, simply click Place on Hold. When you go to your personal library, you can see how many items you have on hold next to the Checkout tab. To remove a hold, you can click on the book and then select Remove Hold. You can also add items to your wish list if you want to read them later on. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you need more assistance accessing our ebooks collection, please come visit us at the library or give us a call at 830-693-3023.